What's the meaning of caiman? Caiman. Caiman.
Caiman. Caiman. A caiman is a type of small to medium-sized crocodilian that is native to Central and South America. Similar in appearance to alligators, caimans have sharp teeth, a broad snout, and thick scaly skin. They are generally found in freshwaters such as swamps, rivers, and lakes, and feed mainly on fish, birds, and mammals. Due to their reputation as aggressive predators and the value of their skins, caimans have been hunted for centuries and are now classified as threatened or endangered species in some areas. Conservation efforts are being implemented to help protect these fascinating reptiles.